Hey, okay. So I'm outside and you could probably hear it right now already, but there's been this weird fucking sound going on. It sounds like an alarm. I just don't know what type of alarm. It's definitely not a tornado alarm. It could be like a cold one, because as you can see, there's just snow everywhere. My legs are, I don't know if you can see, lots of snow and giant icicles. But okay, so listen to the sound. I don't know what type of alarm it is, but see if you can tell me. Can you hear it? I think it's like 3 a.m. or I could check. It is 2:48, and I don't know, is that like a freezing alarm they're playing? I don't know why they'd be sounding that alarm at like 3 in the morning though. Who the fuck other than me is outside at 3 in the morning? I don't know what that is.